Welcome to Computer Studies for JSS 3. Today we study machine learning. What is it? What is machine learning? Machine learning, ML, is a branch of artificial intelligence in which computers learn to improve their performance by learning from data without being explicitly programmed for every task. Instead of giving the computer specific rules, you give it data and let it find the patterns and rules itself. Traditional programming versus machine learning. Traditional programming, programmer gives rules and data, computer gives output. Machine learning, programmer gives data and output, computer learns the rules. How does machine learning work? 1. Collect data, gather a large dataset relevant to the problem. Example, to build a spam filter, collect thousands of spam and annoying spam emails. 2. Prepare data, clean and organize the data. 3. Choose an algorithm, select a mathematical model that will learn from the data. 4. Train the model, feed the data to the algorithm. The model adjusts itself to find patterns. 5. Evaluate the model, test the model on new data it has not seen before. How accurate is it? 6. Deploy, use the trained model in a real application. 7. Improve, continuously update the model with new data. Types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. The model is trained on labeled data, data where the correct answer, label, is already known. Example, training an email spam filter using emails labeled spam or not spam. The model learns to predict the label for new, unlabeled emails. 2. Unsupervised learning. The model is trained on unlabeled data, no correct answer is given. The model finds hidden patterns or groupings on its own. Example, grouping customers with similar buying habits, clustering. 3. Reinforcement learning. The model learns by trial and error, it receives rewards for correct actions and penalties for incorrect ones. Example, training a computer to play chess, it learns to make moves that lead to winning. Examples of machine learning in everyday life. 1. Email spam filters, learns to identify spam emails. 2. Recommendation systems, Netflix suggests movies based on what you've watched. YouTube suggests videos. 3. Face recognition, phone unlocks by recognizing your face. 4. Voice recognition, Siri and Google Assistant understand your speech. 5. Fraud detection, banks detect unusual transactions. 6. Medical diagnosis, AI detects cancer in medical scans. Machine learning in Nigeria. 1. Agriculture, detecting crop diseases from photos of leaves. 2. Healthcare, predicting disease outbreaks. 3. Finance, detecting fraudulent mobile money transactions. 4. Traffic, predicting traffic patterns in Lagos. Remember, machine learning/ML equals branch of artificial intelligence in which computers learn to improve their performance by learning from data without being explicitly programmed, give computer data and let it find the patterns plus rules itself. Traditional programming versus machine learning. Traditional equals programmer gives rules plus data, computer gives output. Machine learning equals programmer gives data plus output, computer learns the rules. How machine learning works. Collect data equals gather large dataset relevant to problem. Prepare data equals clean plus organize. Choose an algorithm equals select mathematical model that will learn from data. Train the model equals feed data to algorithm. Model adjusts itself to find patterns. Evaluate the model equals test on new data not seen before. Deploy equals use trained model in real application. Improve equals continuously update model with new data. Types of machine learning. Supervised learning equals trained on labeled data equals data where correct answer/label is already known. Example equals training email spam filter using emails labeled spam or not spam. Model learns to predict label for new unlabeled emails. Unsupervised learning equals trained on unlabeled data equals no correct answer given. Model finds hidden patterns or groupings on its own. Example equals grouping customers with similar buying habits/clustering. Reinforcement learning equals learns by trial and error. Receives rewards for correct actions plus penalties for incorrect ones. Example equals training computer to play chess equals learns to make moves that lead to winning. Examples in everyday life: email spam filters, recommendation systems equals Netflix plus YouTube, face recognition equals phone unlocks by recognizing face, voice recognition equals Siri plus Google Assistant, fraud detection equals banks detect unusual transactions, medical diagnosis equals AI detects cancer in medical scans. Machine learning in Nigeria: agriculture equals detecting crop diseases from photos, healthcare equals predicting disease outbreaks, finance equals detecting fraudulent mobile money transactions, traffic equals predicting traffic patterns in Lagos. Thank you.